Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix canonical tag issue on Shopify. So, are duplicate content issues affecting your Shopify's store SEO? Canonical tag problems can cause search engine to rank the wrong URLs or lower your rankings. And here's how you can fix it. Step 1 is checking for canonical tag issues. So, you can use Google Search Console, go to indexing, navigate to pages and check if multiple versions of the same page exist. And you can inspect canonical tags. You can use view page source, right click on a Shopify page, click on view source. Now, after viewing your source, you can search for link rel is equal to canonical and you'll have to ensure that only one canonical tag exists per page. Now, step 2 is fixing canonical tag issues in Shopify. So, first, you can fix duplicate URLs. Shopify automatically adds question variant is equal to ID to product pages and that helps in creating duplicate URLs. To fix this, edit your theme.liquid file, go to online store, navigate to themes, navigate to edit code, navigate to theme.liquid and find the head section. And add the canonical tag code inside the head. You can search for that code on Google or ChatGPT. Now, fixing canonical tag issues helps improve SEO and prevent duplicate content penalties. You can try these steps and your Shopify's store will be optimized. See you in the next video.